Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, this is the part 2 regarding the Jamaica lockdown. Again, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. Talking News is here. Okay, this is the part 2, like I said, people, and I've had time to calm down because I think my energy was a little bit too rough in the last one, so I'm calmer now. Well, the first thing I'm gonna say, we have, let me see. All right, we have a quick voice note. I'm gonna let the brother talk his thing in the voice note. And then after that, we have, let's say we have a very angry woman. I don't wanna call her angry woman, but we have a concerned citizen. And we have an elder who left a message too in a video. All right, let's get to it right now with the voice note.
People in the area go on, them a tell us picnic them say if them want face-to-face class, them have to go take the vaccine. And look at that, the people them have the heart, them a link we as me as the parents, you know. But them want to link with son and I tell him say the bitch part for Mer grow if you go take the vaccine if them want face-to-face class. Right? Remember say a Calabar school my son go, yo. Me not understand them people here. What kind of disrespect is you know link the parents them, you consult them pitney. I tell them pitney so them to go to Mer school go take the vaccine if them want face-to-face class. You not see where I go and some trying every way to force people. All the people them are forced to take them vaccine. People, big man thing, we go have to go protest, we have to go take our ass and get up and go up on the road here. We're not going to make this happen. You're mad? You're crazy? And look how much thing we say vaccine I do people. People, share that, yeah? Make every parents know where I go on.
Okay, that's crazy because honestly, if they're going to do that, whatever, they have to talk to the parents. You cannot talk to the minors. And that's just something that doesn't make sense. That's all I have to say. Come on, people. Anything you do, do it right. School system. Goodness. All right, let's take it away to the video of the concerned woman.
Boy, I'm tell you, John style, yo. Me never imagine that day me would have really like come out of myself. Like me never really think say one day would have come with somebody really make me feel like shit. Like God know yo, me don't know. Me know some people are gonna say, oh, you have to follow the rule and you have to follow guidelines and somehow don't know this and on that side this and that side that and whatever. You understand? But if you don't have any sense, you know that read between the line and see what the blood clot dirty government boy you do. You know would really look into it and see what you do. You understand? Like I'm tired of blood clot down now. I'm tired of fucking curfew. I'm tired of corona. I'm tired of everything. Like, yo, yeah. I mean I say they don't care about poor people when they do what they do. They don't care. Don't give a fuck. And then give them one little time in the day and then police run them down and take away them little goods to them. I see that with my blood clot here and I see them burn me heart. Me I tell you man, come here say they don't give people no time and a little daytime in the weekend. You can't make people they sell and make one little money, little fab soap, little tissue and them little foolishness, little guinea and them some of the people I sell I run them down. And I take away them things and I mash. Yo, what the blood clot this world gone to yo? What Jamaica gone to yo? Like a worst time I will, and then now every fucking minute this man change curfew order. Mr. Blood clot. Me don't know if you can find one other way fi solve the fucking sitting on the makeup problem. You can't find one other way than for lockdown. Change curfew order. Today change, tomorrow change. Every minute, so okay, so you go work now. And then when you take a stock, Your boss have to lay you off again. You have to go here, go sit down. You not got no money to spend. You not got nothing. where the blood clot. So also some majority are go dead for save uno look blood clot. You know no scamming is. Uno want blood clot people to take uno vaccine. So uno gonna do everything in all the fucking
no fuck out uno. How long me a wake up? Remember last year, me say everything. Remember everything me say last year? I mean, I said Jamaica will be the last to come out of this. Why you think me this is so? Because we no unite. United we stand, divided we shall bumbo cloud fall. And no God that you don't know, the God you don't love. Just because we no want to take it sitting. And no nothing more, you know. If we no wake up now, you can go bury on the bumbo cloud self. For that man tell you know. Say man, you say man, the man no love in the heart for you know.
Yeah, I know burn me or hurt me. Yeah. Because at the end of the day, him don't even give people no time for do nothing. You don't give people no time for prepare no. Your blood clot did left people with money. Did you leave people with money? You don't give nobody no. You understand? So at the end of the day, you don't know if people have money. People don't have money. People are suffer. You understand? You and your friend them have money. So because of them run come and text and talk about say, oh let them play cause this and that cause them blood clot have their money and they stack up and they tin product with them. Because of that they used to. You look at poor people, them have to buy little food stuff, them are selling little sweetie and them blood clots sitting there. We make one little money. So you don't care about them kind of people, you don't care because them are nobody. Them are nobody when they don't no contact about fucking crime and violence. You understand? And who know cause crime and violence because no one gonna kill people boy pitney too. No one gonna kill people girl pitney, no one gonna shoot them like we a bird. You understand? Who know cause it? If people try and them a try if you make one little hustling, uno see a man take uno cops or whatever and uno lock them down. Uno run them down like them a gunman with long gun and run down and market people me see with my fucking yai them. And my ball. Yeah, me not sell on the road, me a walk and me support. You understand? I'm a ball here water when I see what go on and I see people even today. Yeah, and the people them have to grab them things and I run and they say, pretty girl, buy this, me buy this. Cause them police are come, whatever. I say, jeez, I feel like me in a some weird place. Like me can't believe say I saw this a country I really are going. And no care for the poor, no care at all. But you see when voting time come, you find every old corner, every little crevice and corner, you find for come tell people for blood clot go vote for you. Unless some of them are idiot, they still run out. They still run out and knock pot cover and roll a ground and galang with that kind of same thing. After all of what you do, you use your general self to come give people injection because you want people to take a vaccine. That is a plan. That is a plan on a devil. The blood of Jesus against you, man. Remember me tell you, yeah, we have to cuss about and talk that kind of thing where we don't want to talk. And then people can't even talk. If you talk, 5 minutes time yesterday have you apologize. Imagine you can't even talk all the way you do. Nobody know if you say fucking nothing. You don't care, you don't give a fuck. Me frustrated and me tell you say this. Like every minute you change the curfew order like a mad blood clot. They come like nerd. God know me don't know where you come from. And then at the end of the day, now you do it again. You see that one there? That one that lick me nerves, me heart, me soul, me blood clot body. When me I tell you say yo, this is really terrible.
All right. Yeah, I had to let the brother finish it off after the queen did her thing. Well, people, everything is out there. Do your studying. Do your due diligence. Serious thing is going on. These are some serious times. And just open your eyes. For real. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. I'm Daddy Reds. I'm the reggae ambassador. And I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.